Yo, what up? It's yours truly, Mr. Lang, Team Wash Life. I'm gonna make this video quick. Cleaning concrete near a pool. Some things you should know is you want to keep all the debris out of the pool as much as possible, at least. So there's a little bit of a technique. Luckily this pool is built well and there's a nice downgrade. There's a nice grade keeping the concrete and all the debris falling out into the grass, but we pre-treated it, right? So you see it's all dying. Pre-treat it with, it's not even a 50-50 mix. We're using like 30-70. And with the same mix, we sprayed our fence. We don't use much surfactant at all. Very light, barely enough just to cover the scent a little bit. But that same mix, we just had him spray the fence. Turned out great. Colt's over here. He can't listen. I don't know what he's doing, but you might as well grab him and tell him it's fine, I fixed it. You probably turn off the 12-volt pump too. Just unhook the battery. So let me show you how we're going to clean this and try to keep the water and debris out of the pool. There's a little bit of a trick to it. Alright. So squeegee's just an added thing. You don't really have to do that. Just, you know, if the guy's standing around, why not grab a squeegee and try to help keep some of that out. You see how close we got to the edge. So I'd say about 6 to 12 inches. You stay from the edge. Some spots we can get closer. It just depends how the water's falling. You just really gotta slowly walk and keep your eye on the edge of the pool. Make sure nothing's going in there. But I'd say 90% of it doesn't go in there, at least. And that's that. Pre-treat. Don't worry about the pre-treat and the chem. Some guys are worried about pre-treating the pool, like worry about the chem getting in there and stuff. But it doesn't matter because we're using the same stuff that goes to these pools anyway. It's the dirt and stuff that you want to keep out of there. So that's what works for us. That's how we do it. And just keep in mind, like, just look for the grade on a pool. If it looks like a nice slope, it's not going to be too difficult. I'll show you what we're going to do for that last edge in a second here. So basically I was showing them how to do it, the majority for this first half. We did the half around, and then when they're done, they're gonna start here and go around. But surface clean, you know, up to there, so enough so the water falls. And then with your ball valve, rinse the concrete off real quick going this way. But you come at it from an angle and hit that edge just to clean it up. And then, you know, the only thing that's on your come out of your ball valve is water. So yeah, just try to remember that angle, Colt.
Yeah, I got you.
And rinse it, like come at it like an angle like this. Rinse that concrete off real quick and then do it so there's no dirt on the concrete.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but you haven't surface cleaned that yet.
What's that?
You haven't surface cleaned this yet.
Right. I was just saying like that though.
Yeah, like stand up to the edge of them with your hand, come all the way out, and you know. All right.